Hi guys, today I'm going to solve a LeetCode problem and the problem number is 26. Remove duplicates from sorted list. So it has given array called nums sorted in a non-decreasing order. Remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. So it only wants each unique element in that array only once, right? The relative order of the element should be kept the same. So the order should be the same in the array, right? Let's go to the example and I will explain it, right? So it has an input, in the input it has an array of 1 1 2. So as you can see, 1 is duplicated, right? So it wants the unique items in the array, right? In the nums, what it wants you to return is a unique element, 1 and 2, but in an order, right? So it will be, if you remove this, the 2 will take its place, so it will be 1 and 2, right? And the output would be 2, right? Since you have two numbers 1 and 2, the output is k equals to 2. So it does not matter what it is beyond the 2, it only needs the unique numbers. Okay, same thing with this. It has duplicates of 0 1 2 3 4, and once you remove the duplicates, the count should be 5, and these are the 5 unique numbers that it is expecting in the array: 0 1 2 3 4. And this is the underscore, it doesn't really matter. So let's go to Visual Studio and try to solve this problem. So for the time's sake, I have actually just copy pasted the example that we just discussed, and also the output. So it is expecting 5, and the num array should look like this, right, with the unique numbers. So for that, what we can do is we could achieve this using group by. That is one way, or distinct. Okay, these are the two ways I can think of. We can try both and see if it is good. And to have unique values only, so what we could do is we could reassign the value into nums using like a for loop. Okay, so this part I would explain. I guess it would be easier to explain by writing a code. So what I wanted to do is I want to reassign the values. So if I removed all the duplicates, I would get an array, and for that array I would reassign the values to the nums. Okay, so that's what I was trying to do. So let's get started. So let's say I have a var array items, right? Items equals to nums dot group by, as I said, let's say group by x. Okay, so when I say group by x, what happens here? Let's just debug. So what it will have is, right now it will have a group. All the items will be grouped together. Okay, so I would expect is 0 1 2 3 4 5, the keys to be 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so in 0 it will have how many items? 2 items, 0 0, right? In 1 it will have 3 items, 1 2 3, and then in 2 it will have 2 2 3 3, and the 4 it will only have 1 item. So for these item I want to select the first item. Okay, so that's the next step. Okay, so in this group by keys, I want to select the first item. Okay, start first. Okay, here you go. So let's do this. Okay, so I have the first item now. Here you go. You see this? These are my first item. I selected it. Perfect. So this I want to put it in an array now. Dot array. Perfect. This is what I want. So return type, return, I have an int of arrays. Okay, so I grouped by, I selected the first and put it into an array. So this is my new array. So what I want to do with this array now, I want to iterate through it. Okay, I want to iterate through it and use this array to set the values back to the nums array, right? So what I want to do is the nums array using I as my I, so it will give me the position, the index of that array. Set this array, okay, for the first 5 elements. I don't care about anything after that. I don't care. Okay, so boom. So here you go. So let's go this. Let's just let it run and see. So my nums array should be I just want the first 5. Okay, you see this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what it was expecting here. Here, as you can see, the output over here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, I don't care what it is. I don't care. Okay, so this is what they are expecting. Okay, so it looks good from my perspective. Let's put it into test. Let's copy this part. Okay, and oh, we have to return a count also. Okay, so that part, so in order to return a count, what we're gonna do is I already have a return here, so I will do just the count of the item arrays. Okay, so that is the k they are expecting, dot count. Okay, there you go. So this should look good. Okay, so copy this code. Let's make it nice. Copy this code, this 4 lines, 5 lines, right, and go back to my array. I'll put it right over here, right? Item array nums, right? That's nums. Okay, looks good. Okay, just take this a little bit further. And I have the test case. Just run the test cases first. Okay, looks good. Yeah, that's what they are expecting. 1, 1, 2. Output is 1, 2. Yes, that's the array that we're expecting. Expected is 1, 2. Okay, and the same thing here. The nums equals to 1, 1, 2. I don't have anything, but okay. Anyways, case 2. Okay, let's submit it and see how if it works. So this is my first time trying to submit this. So hopefully it is working. Perfect, it works. So that's really good. 152 milliseconds, right? So let's try to do this with a how you call it, distinct. Okay, so it is also another way to do it. So let's just do a distinct nums. I think you just need dot distinct. Okay, so distinct can be used in an array also, so it will give you the same. Okay, so let's put a breakpoint over here. But when you try to do distinct in a reference type, you need to do a select. Okay, so there is a difference. So this is a value type here. Okay, let's try this. So it will give you the same. Yeah, you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will give you the distinct value. So it's much easier than group by. You see this? So same code, just one line change. It will work. Okay, so it will work. Same code, one line change. Let's put this into action. Let's go back. I don't know. Description is right. Okay, here, Control V. Okay, just one line code change, same thing that I have done. And let's run first our test cases, right? Okay, and then submit this again. Okay, let's see if it is faster, I guess. Okay, 170. So last one was, I have to go back, but okay. So these are my two scenarios. Hopefully you like the code. Thank you so much for watching, and please feel free to give me a thumbs up, and it means a lot to me. And have a good day.